Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. We didn't get that lot done yesterday, so we just stuck it back out in the grow room, and I'll do it today. I just ran out of steam rather than time yesterday, so I'll get those potted up today, and that can be tomorrow's video. Get that finalised. And what I wanted to show you was soon there's going to be more kit in here than flipping plants, but I think that's going to work an awful lot better for live broadcasts. The laptop normally sits here, so I have to turn sideways and bend over to get close enough to read the text, and it's not a comfortable position to be in. And meanwhile the camera is over here looking at the side of my head, or worse still, the top of it. So by getting a stand for the laptop, and this is a really good sturdy stand, I'm well pleased with that, because obviously a laptop, it makes the whole thing top heavy. The tray weighs quite a bit, and then you put the laptop on it. So yeah, I think that's going to work an awful lot better, quite honestly. So we'll give it a go. Obviously the tripod will stick up over the top with the camera on it. And obviously the camera height can be adjusted to be sitting just here, so that when I'm looking at the laptop, I'm facing the camera almost head on. If you think the laptop camera is here, and my real camera is going to be sitting just here. So I'll be looking into the camera while I'm reading the text, and I won't have to bend over. So I think that's going to work an awful lot better, quite honestly. And I'm pleased with that, because I ordered it and it virtually arrived almost immediately. I ordered it sometime on Monday and it arrived first thing Wednesday morning. So I like that sort of thing. Yeah. So we have a new piece of kit, very sturdy, fully adjustable, and next time I do a live broadcast we'll give this a go, and I think it's going to work an awful lot better, simply because I don't have to bend over to read the text. I can stand upright for the whole thing, which I think is going to work an awful lot better. The only thing I will have to go very careful on is if I get a plant to hold up to the camera, because if I try and hold a plant quite close to the camera, it's going to be here, right on top of the laptop. So that might have to be avoided, simply because it could drip. You know, I just have to go very careful. So probably no close-ups during the live broadcast, but I don't do that very often anyway. Anyway, so that's the new bit of kit. Everything around here has got 3 legs, except me, who's got 2, and Pussycat up there looking after the table has got 4, obviously. And the other one's asleep somewhere. Anyway, I'm pleased with that, and we'll give it a go sometime.